You holding your head up? Look at you, big girl. Look at you, big girl. Look at how much you're growing. You're such a big girl. Say hi, Katie. Hi. Hi. How are ya? How you doing? Hi. Katie. Hi, chubby cheeks. Hi, sweet baby. Hi. You're doing a great job. You're doing a great job. You getting sleepy? You getting sleepy? See, I'm 3 months old today. Yeah, see, I'm 3 months old today. You're working hard. You're working really hard. Are you done? Are you done? See, I'm done with this, Mom. See, I'm tired. See, I'm tired, Ma. No sweat. Okay. We're gonna go flip her back over because she's getting tired. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.